Hey y'all, it's Shelly, and this is a quick review of this lighted vanity mirror. I got my dad to help me put together. Well, he actually put it all together. I did get it from the brand as a gift to try out to let you guys know what we thought. I'm really excited to show you how easy it was to put together. The directions were pretty straightforward. Everything was very well packaged. Everything was tightly packaged, so nothing arrived broken. The instructions were pretty clear. The instructions were for a vanity with two shelves. Keep in mind, this one is just the vanity mirror with one shelf. So one thing we really like about the mirror is that it has the adjustable shelf inside, so you can arrange them however you want, like things like razors, toothbrushes, your favorite skincare products. Because, for some of us, it's a challenge to fit taller items into cabinets, but this one gives you the flexibility of being able to put that shelf where you want it. And the lighting is super bright. So if you just want a little light in the morning, you can go with a low light. Or if you're getting ready for a night out and need it bright, you just hold the button down and it goes up to like 100% brightness. The hinges on it for the door were really cool because it has the soft close. Um, the mirror also has two color temperatures, so you can switch between a warm white light for a more relaxed or cozy feel, or you can go with a daylight for super bright glow. And something I didn't know until I got it was that the mirror has a defogger built in, so no more wiping down the mirror after a hot shower. It automatically turns on and off with the light, so it keeps your reflection crystal clear. It really is a game changer having that on there. You don't have to wipe it down with your towel. I definitely love this mirror. I cannot wait to put it up on the wall. So if you're looking for a new vanity mirror, then I would definitely check this one out.